Hello, my name's Emma from Pineapple Fibre Arts, and this is my series of video tutorials on how to make all the crochet stitches you'll need to make my mandala kits. So today we're going to be working on slip knot and chain stitches. So we'll start with the slip knot. So I take the cut end between my thumb and index finger on my left hand, get the ends out the way. I put my index finger and my thumb through, twist it over so there's a cross in the yarn as you can see there. Then my thumb and my index finger from my right hand get hold of it towards the cut end of the yarn and pull it through, and you get this nice little knot. Then if you turn it over so the cut end is at the bottom, and then when you put your hook through you can pull the cut end tight and you've got your first loop on your hook ready to go. So I'll show you again. So cut end between your thumb and index finger of your left hand, make a loop, and then index and thumb through from the other hand, twist it over so you've got that twist, grab towards the cut end of the yarn and pull it through. Nice little slip knot there, and then turn it over so you've got the cut end at the bottom, and then when you pop your hook through you can pull it tight and you've got your first loop on the hook. So we've got our slip knot on our hook, and now we need to control the tension of the yarn, how fast it flows through our fingers. Lots of different ways of doing that. You'll probably have your own method already. If not, this is how I do it. So with my left hand, I hook the yarn with my little finger and then collect it with the index finger as of the same hand. Then my middle finger and my thumb hold the crochet bit that I'm working on, so that all my right hand is doing is controlling the hook. So I'll show you again. So with my left hand, little finger hooks the yarn, and then my index finger, middle finger and thumb hold the bit of crochet that you're working on, so that all the right hand is doing is controlling the hook. And we're ready to go. So now we're ready to do a chain stitch. Chain stitches are used to start pieces or to create space. Nearly any project you're ever going to do is probably going to have a chain stitch in it. So we've got one loop on our hook already. That's our slip knot that we've started with, and then we're going to catch the yarn with our hook and pull it through the loop. That's a chain stitch. Catch the yarn with our hook and pull it through. Hook the yarn and pull it through. Every now and again you're going to want to move your thumb and your middle finger so it's holding the crochet closer to your hook to give you more control. So yeah, chain stitch. Hook the yarn and pull it through. It might be fiddly at first. Top tip, don't pull it too tight. The idea is that they are the same size as your hook. But yeah, you will build up speed as you get used to the movement. Hook the yarn and pull it through the loop. Hook the yarn and pull it through the loop. And that's your chain stitch. So that's the end of today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you'd like to access more stitch tutorials, they're available on my YouTube channel. Or take a look at my website where all my designs are available as kits and patterns for you to crochet yourself.